Every plane flying into Toronto's busiest airport actually lands in the region of Peel. It's one of Canada's largest transportation hubs. Peel is diverse, and some are blaming Black and Indo-Canadian residents for high COVID numbers. Others argue this outbreak has been fueled by workplaces.
I was a professor in India. Now I'm driving a truck.
Balraj Kalan lives in Brampton, Ontario. He hauls Canadian goods into the U.S. Midwest 3 times a week.
When I come back from work, I don't touch anything. Even my clothes are separate.
It's not easy, but he's not alone. Census data shows over 40,000 Brampton residents work in transportation and warehousing. That's nearly triple the number of similar workers in Hamilton.
I think, if anything,
Peel's chief medical officer says in total, there have been over 120 workplace outbreaks.
Truck drivers, food processing workers, pharmaceutical workers, medical workers, these are essential jobs where people can't mail it in.
Warehouse work often brings people in close contact. Amazon's National Distribution Centre is in Brampton, running shifts 24/7. While provinces are refusing to name workplaces with outbreaks, Brampton's only hospital is seeing the spread firsthand.
We're seeing people who are essential workers who come home and then, become positive along with the rest of their family.
Most Indo-Canadian families live in multi-generational households, which often include grandparents and other relatives.
You feel very responsible.
Surgeon Savtaj Brar says that's how he grew up. And instead of appreciating the risk workers are taking on, they're facing a torrent of racist stereotypes.
It's not just my parents' neighborhood. It's neighborhoods and communities across the country.
And frankly,
Brampton's mayor adds Ontario has been slow to offer any real support, including paid sick days.
Well, I think the question Canadians need to ask themselves is, if you want Peel Region and Brampton down to single digits, are you willing to give up using Amazon for a month?
Kalan isn't looking for gratitude. He says his most important job is keeping his family safe. Christine Birak, CBC News, Brampton, Ontario.